Hi friends, in this video I'll demonstrate you that how a BMS, which is battery management system, works. So in this video we will calculate basically batteries voltages, batteries current, battery power, temperature, milliamps, and the state of charge and the state of health. So most importantly we will be focusing on SOC, which is state of charge, and SOH, which is state of health. So as you can see on my screen that this is the circuit, this is the battery, this is the circuit from where you can get the actual battery voltages, like how much voltages that we are applying to our system. So this is the circuit which will basically measure the voltages which is coming from the battery, and after that there is an ampere meter so that we can verify our current sensor working. So this is our current sensor which will basically measure the amps which is going to which is being fed by the battery and going into the load. And this is the basically the protection unit or relay unit which will basically cut off the circuit from the battery to the load in case if something goes wrong. And this is the battery temperature sensor. So the main there are basically three main readings which we are taking: voltages, currents, and the temperature. So as you can see, the controller that I am using, that is basically Arduino UNO controller, which is connected with the LCD display and a serial port as well, in case if you want to connect your system with a laptop to get the readings and to plot them and to work with them in with MATLAB as well. So as you run the simulation, you can see its battery management system. So let me focus on it first so that I can explain you what's going on. Okay, so this is battery management 50.05. That is the voltages which is being applied by my battery. 2.48 amps which is coming towards the load, 124 watt which is being consumed by the load, 36 that is the temperature, 100 that is the state of charge, 1.51 microamps, and 99.89 that is the state of health. So let me verify the results. So you can see 50.5 volts, so that is 50.5 volts. Okay, so now as you can see 2.48 amps, so over here it is 2.49, that is approximately same with a very less error. So now what I do, I will decrease the battery voltages. So I will check the how battery voltages basically affect our state of charge and state of health. So let's slowly decrease it. So you can see that state of health that is remaining same, but state of charge is dropping gradually. So you can see state of charge is dropping, state of health is almost same, so is accordingly milliamps as well. So you can see it has been dropped to 18 point something. Let's drop it further to its maximum value. So this is its maximum value. As you can see, it's 1.97 state of charge and 101. So state of health is basically the battery's health. So battery's health is a prolonged so battery has a you can say a long life, so that is why state of health is not that much affected with the recent changes in voltages. But if in case if the drop it is sudden, so in that case the battery's health will be detected as the minimum, but state of charge is the gradual decrease and gradual decrease of the charge from the battery. So you, in case if you like this video, you can like my channel and subscribe as well. So for the files you can send a mail, I will drop a mail ID as well. And I will also provide you my WhatsApp number as well, on which you can contact me for the files as well, the code simulation and the PCB as well. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.